First, make sure your Sony Bravia TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then, navigate to the Google Play Store, which comes pre-installed on all Android TV Sony Bravia models. Use the search function and type in Spectrum TV. Locate the official Spectrum TV app, published by Charter Communications. Select Install and wait for the app to download. This should only take a few minutes with a stable internet connection. Once installed, you'll find the app on your home screen, ready for the next step, activation. Now that the app is installed, it's time to activate it and access your Spectrum channels. Launch the Spectrum TV app and select Sign In. You have two options. Either enter your Spectrum username and password directly on the TV, or use the activation code method. For the direct sign-in method, enter your Spectrum username and password directly on the TV screen. For the activation code method, you'll see a code displayed on your TV screen. On a computer or smartphone, go to spectrum.net/activate and enter the code. Link the code to your Spectrum account. Back on your TV, the app will verify your subscription and grant access to your channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. For the initial setup, you may be prompted to enable location services and grant permissions for personalized recommendations. With these steps completed, you can now stream Spectrum TV directly on your Sony Bravia.